Okay, so this is Mandarin 2. We are on the workbook for lesson 11-1. Okay, so 这是第七页, right? We left off here yesterday, so let's continue this. All right, so part C. Have you recently changed your study habits or dietary preferences? So that's very restricted, right? So I just want you to write something that you've changed or make something up that you changed recently. And following suit of the example says, 我以前听音乐，听录音，现在不听了. So I used to listen to recordings and now I don't. Right. So the second example says, 我以前不喜欢吃中国菜，现在喜欢吃了. So I didn't like Chinese food. Now I like. So I want you to pick something that you used to do and then now you don't. And then vice versa, something that you used to not do and now you do. All right. So again, it doesn't have to be study habits. It can just be something you've changed, right? So for me, I say, 我以前喜欢跳舞，现在不喜欢跳了. And when I say 以前, like young, like junior high, so 很久以前, right? And then my other one, I said, 我以前常常不吃菜，现在常常吃了. So I didn't like to eat vegetables before, and now I do. So again, one that you used to do and now you don't do anymore. And then another one is something you didn't do before and now you do actually do. Okay. All right. Next part says, here's a weather forecast for New York and Beijing tomorrow. Interpret the forecast to write whether it will snow in each place and if it will be colder or warmer than the place you are, where you are. Okay, so I missed something. It's okay. No big deal. All right, so 纽约明天, so it looks like it is going to be warm. So I said 会暖和, 很暖和, right? 很暖和的 it means 不下雪. So you can say 很暖和 or 不下雪 because it says will it snow or not. I missed that. And 40 degrees looks still a little colder than here, so 比加州冷一点. So I said 加州明天纽约明天很暖和, 但是比加州冷一点. Now to follow suit, to follow exactly the directions, we can also say 明天 instead of 很暖和, you can say 不下雪. Okay, 但是比加州冷一点. So up to you, you can choose, right? Next, Beijing looks like it's 30 degrees and it's snowing. So you will say 北京明天会下雪. 比加州冷多了, much colder than California, right? 30 degrees versus what we usually have like 50s, much colder. Okay. All right. Next piece, the weather forecast, you're going to translate this. The weather forecast on the internet just said that it will not only be very cold tomorrow, but it will also snow. So on the internet, so this one you start with on the internet, you will say 网上, right? 网上的天气预报说 said 明天不但会很冷, so not only, right? So not only 不但会很冷, 而且还会下雪. Okay? So 网上的天气预报说，明天不但会很冷，而且还会下雪。Okay. Again, feel free to pause the video at any time so that you can write all this down completely in your workbook. Next one is long, so I'm going to take it one step at a time. My older sister likes to shop. So 我姐姐喜欢买东西. Shop 逛街, but so far all we know is 买东西. Okay. She bought a white shirt 2 weeks ago. So again, we're going to focus on 2 weeks ago first. So 2个星期前她买了一件白衬衫, right? So 2个星期前她买了一件白衬衫. Last week, 上个星期 she bought a pair of blue pants. 她买了一条蓝裤子. She liked them very much. So yesterday she bought another pair. So 她很喜欢那条裤子. She liked the pants very much, right? 所以 that's why 所以昨天 so yesterday 她又买了一条. So she bought another pair of pants, right? So another pair. She said she would like a pair of black shoes. So 她说她想要, 她还想买一双黑色的鞋子. She wants to buy black shoes. So this afternoon, so 今天下午 she'll go out shopping again. So 今天下午她又要去买东西. She's going to go shopping again. She really has a lot of money. 她真是有钱. So she is very, very well off. Okay. All right. We're actually going to stop here. We'll wrap up with part F on the next time we meet. Okay. All right. That's it for this.